What's up guys, it's your boy, back at you with another video, you get me? And basically, it's the next day, again, I'm trying to be consistent with these videos. I'll be honest, I couldn't be asked to film today. I've finished, it's been a busy day, I've had work from 6 a.m. and then after work I had to lick 2 free charity shops in desperation to find 5 half decent items to list today, which I managed to do. Which is why I'm recording now. So I've got and also I've got to do parcels. It's been a long one, to be honest. Basically everything's taken me a little bit longer than it should, but I have been at work all day also. 'Cause I'm working full time as well as this eBay thing right now. So I just wanted to quickly show you some of the things I got today. I only got 4 items from the charity shop, but we'll just run through them. We'll have a quick chat, and I'll be out, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. So basically. Today guys, yeah, like I said, I didn't have my 5 items, so I quickly went out and got them. So I'll turn the camera on now and show you what I got real quick. Okay, so the first thing I got guys, is this actually for 50p. I don't know if it was worth it, I think it was. I don't know, I really don't know, but it's a Playboy belt. Basically it was 50p, if I didn't just say that. So that was thing number one. Thing number two was this. I got both of these for £3.50 each. Basically, I got an offer, a couple quid off in the shop just by asking. Some more Velo cycling top. Not like I say that like I know this brand. I don't know this brand. My son pointed out this black one. He's getting quite good at this shit, you know. And I was like, I don't know. I'll quickly look it up. Depends on brand and rare tear. And the black one was worth a little something. They wanted a fiver for it, but like I say. This one they wanted 4, so it was 9 altogether, and I got it for 7. So £3.50 each. So this one, probably about 15 to 20. It's pretty cool, size XL. This one's size large, pretty cool. They're both in good condition as well. They haven't got like mud splashed up the back, which is quite common on these cycling tops. So both of them are a little something something. Get me, probably 15 to 25 for the black one and 15 to 25 for the orange one. We got that belt, that's free. And then this thing I've just photographed and put away, and then I took it back out again. I wanted to do this. This is what prompted doing this video, because you know that thing got, well, you would have saw it in this video actually.
That's not working.
Hang on, son. My son's behind me, guys, like on my computer watching cartoons, and he was whinging. So I got this. I've been talking about clothes these last few days, but I've not been able to get to the boot sale these last 2 days. So it's been a car boot. Oh shit, dropped my phone. So it's been a charity shop thing, you get me? And it's all I can get from charity shops is clothes, so I've had to risk it the last 2 days. Yesterday I bought a Juicy Couture bag, guys. So if you've watched that video, you would have saw me talking about it, you would have seen it. But I had to return that today. We got this, which I'm not sure if it's authentic. I watched a YouTube video, and if it's brand new, the tag, the new with tags, barcode or something, has to match like one of these codes on here. But obviously when it's not new with tags, the YouTube videos I've watched said with Adidas tops, you search this or one of them, and if pictures of it come up on Google, then it should be legit, as well as everything else matching up. Now, I think it's legit. Yeah, me, I really do, but I'm just nervous with these things. I really am. I don't trust them, especially with kids' sizes like this is, because they start to simplify things and it starts to look fake, even though it could be real. You get me? That's basically all I got today, guys. Just plodding along, trying to get my 5 listings a day done. For those of you unaware, yeah, my goal is 5 listings a day, 150 listings for the month. If I can sell 50% of that at 75. That's 75 sales for the month. Yeah, hang on.
I gotta go into my bedroom now.
You going into your bedroom?
Yes, I play Roblox.
You're gonna go play Roblox with Paris?
Yeah.
Alright, you behave in there, okay? Paris? Your brother's coming to use the telly now. Well, you'll have to put it back on and do something else. So, what was that? Yeah, if I can sell half of those 150 listings, that's 75 sales at £15 profit each, which is what I'm aiming for. Probably most of my items are falling short of that these last few days anyway. But according to eBay, my average profit right now is about 21 quid. So anyway, £15 profit, 75 sales, £1,125 I should profit this month. That's my goal at the very minimum. So that's what I'm working towards, guys. So I had to rush out and get these items today. I don't know if they've hit my goals or whatever. Although I say £15 profit, fuck it, money's money. I ain't going to be too picky right now, at least up until my bank account's in a healthy position. Which is better than it's ever been right now. There's not a lot of money in there, but hopefully there'll be more at the end of this month, you get me? All the money I've spent since having this job, for those of you unaware, I've just got full-time employment like 3 weeks ago. Which is why I'm pushing now, because I was just a bum prior. Get me? So I'm just sorting everything out. Get me? Trying to become a real businessman. So yeah, if we can hit that goal this month, guys, that'd be inspiring for others. It'd be inspiring for me. It'd be a madness for me, to be honest. It'd be life changing, because I would have proved to myself that this is a piece of piss. Because on paper, this is easy. In theory, it's something else. You get me? Because it's a whole life. It's life, innit? It's real life. It's not a game. So, anyway, guys. Yeah, there's not much more to talk about in today's video other than I'm trying to, seeing as I am dabbling in clothing still, I'm not fully quit. I'm still going to have to educate myself. I still need to, well, I've learnt now a little bit about Juicy Couture bags. That one was fake, and it was because the tag inside the bag wasn't there. Unless someone's unstitched it, but every single bag I found on eBay had this Juicy Couture thing inside the bag. Mine didn't. So other than that, everything else looked blessed on it. It even felt like good materials, but whatever. Lesson learned. I've learned a bunch of lessons with these football tops. I got an England top over here, guys. This is fake. You get me? I've got a Liverpool one upstairs. It's like a Liverpool / LeBron James top. Rare as a motherfucker. It's worth like over £100. I had it listed and that. Anyway, cut to, I watched a Tech and Sports video, and it like brought me back to reality. So I went and checked all my football tops, and that one was coming up as fake. So I took that off, took that England one off. I might have accidentally sold 1 or 2 fakes in the past. I do know what I'm looking for with the real ones. Like I said, those couple things on that shirt, but like it slips by me, innit? So, or like it's like I want to believe it's real when really it's not. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to get over that. I've also got another fake here, guys. This ain't listed. It's a Michael Kors bag, which some woman told me was real, and I didn't know what I was looking for at the time, and this was fake. So I don't even know what to do with that. I'm just gonna give it away or burn it, because I don't sell fakes, guys. Get me? And if I do sell fakes, it's an accident. Get me? And if anyone sees anything on my account, just let me know and I'll take it down straight away. Because my account health's more important than selling fake shit. Get me? So other than that, guys, I appreciate everyone who's rolled through. Subscribe to the channel if you in a similar position, if you're trying to get extra money, trying to free yourself, trying to start eBay, whatever. Hit me up in the comments. I'm out here, you get me? Like, I'm literally out here in the slum with you. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, I'm going to go because I've got to do, to be fair, in theory, I only have to do 1 parcel today because I've got 3-day shipping. It's the 5th, I think. And there's only 1 going out today, the rest are going out like other days. But I might just do 1 or 2 just to, I'm trying to get ahead in it because people be whinging by like day 2, day 3 when they aren't being shipped out. So other than that, guys, I appreciate everyone who's rolled through because I've got like 12 subscribers in like a week. That's mad, fam. It's basically because it's like 1 subscriber a video. I've just posted like 12 videos recently, you get me? Obviously not in a week, but I over-exaggerate a lot, guys, so I probably haven't had 12 subscribers in a week. It's probably been like 30 days. And when I say I posted a lot, I probably posted like twice in a month. I also over-exaggerate with everything. So take everything I say with a pinch of salt, you know. If I say I earned $4,000, I really earned 2.8. If you know what I mean, just it's one of them things with me. But other than that, I don't mean to do it. It's just my humour. You get me? But my humour turns to bullshit sometimes. But yeah, I appreciate everyone for the 5th and final time. Like, what is my son watching, man? This is mad team. What is it with kids today and like terrifying themselves? Everything's like terrifying, like horror and monsters and that is mad. He's like, I got him a doll the other day. You guys probably saw it in the video. It was a siren head. but he won't go to the toilet in the dark. And this is why. Because his idol's siren head. Alright. I'll see you guys in the next one anyway. I'm out. Guys, this one just got hell of a lot more valuable. This one is new with tags. It still has the tag. I didn't even realise that before, you know. Well, anyway, this was selling for like, sort of, this is the price I remember, but I could be wrong. I'll try and print screen it if I can be asked. $16.95 plus shipping in pre-owned condition. This is new with tags, so this could be a healthy one. Is this one new with tags? I don't think so, but if I see a tag, then it's a mad thing. So that's a nice surprise. That's made me feel a little bit better. But other than that, guys, it's